Okay, recording. Alright, we're at the 300-yard mark. So, we're going to go after that one right there. And let's see if I get my finger over here. Anyway, the one on the right. So, it's not a very good picture. It's just a little digital camera, guys. So, anyway, I'll back you up a little. All right. Pretty good shoot and see target. I don't know if we can get in on that or not. You guys might not be able to see it. There we go. Alright. Sorry about hope I didn't make anybody dizzy on that last one. It's a lot easier to get a look down the scope. Alright. I'm going to switch ammunition here. I'll get one of my other mags out. Alright. These will be fun to find in the grass. Alright. Not much wind down there. Up here I've got a certain, probably about 5-8 miles an hour. Straight out of the south. Okay, switching to Hornady 168 grain tap. Hey, go away, bee. Who says mags don't come in handy for other things? Wasp. Alright. Scope open. When I go down and get the targets, we'll check everything out, eh? Let's see where we're at. All right. Those 200-yard targets, I used the first mill dot down from center. Go for third one down, or second. Supposed to be 300 yards. Let's see what we get. Safety off. I got it a little bit. I'm saying I got at least, I think I hit it 3 times. How to find my shells. Okay guys, we're gonna move over to the 400 yard.